Good morning, students. You are welcome in Nandya Academy. Today we are solving the problem number 1 of question number 4. Question number 4 is determine whether the values given against each of the quadratic equation are the roots of the equation. This is the question number 4 of practice set 2.1. So we have to decide whether the given values of variables, means in this problem x is a variable and values of variable are 1 and -1. We have to decide whether these values are roots of the equations or not, means roots of the given equation x square plus 4x minus 5. Then what is mean by root? Suppose x square plus 5x x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. If this equation is satisfied, for the value of x is equal to 1, then 1 is a root of this equation. Otherwise, 1 will not be root. And roots is also a solution. Each quadratic equation has two roots, means two solutions. Now, let us see the problem number 1 of question number 4. Here, solution x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. This is a given equation. We have to check, or we are checking whether x is equal to 1 is a root of this equation, of this quadratic equation or not. We will put x is equal to 1. Putting x is equal to 1 in given quadratic equation. The equation has two sides. This is left hand side and this is right hand side. So we will put value of x in left hand side. So left hand side is equal to x square plus 4x minus 5. We are putting here x is equal to 1. So 1 square plus 4x, 4 into value of x is 1. So 4 into 1 minus 5. Square of 1 is equal to 1 plus 4 into 1 means 4 minus 5. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. And 0 is equal to a right hand side. Because in the given equation, right hand side is 0. Therefore, this is the right hand side. Means for x is equal to 1, left hand side and right hand side are, we write here, left hand side is equal to right hand side. For x is equal to 1 means for this value the equation is satisfied. Therefore, x is equal to 1 is a solution of given equation, or 1 is the root of given equation. We will write here RH, yes. Therefore, 1 is the root of given quadratic equation x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. So we have solved this problem for one value. We will solve this So equation for second value. Now putting x is equal to -1 in given quadratic equation. So left hand side is equal to x square plus 4x minus 5. Now we are putting x is equal to -1 because we are checking for value of x is equal to -1. So -1 square plus 4 into -1 minus 5. So square of 1, -1 into -1. Square of -1 means -1 into -1. -1 into -1 plus 1. 4 into plus 4 into -1 plus into minus minus. 4 into 1 means -4 minus 5 is equal to 9. Is not equal to So 1 minus 4 minus 5 means 1 minus 9 is equal to -8 is not equal to right hand side. Therefore -1 is not the solution, not the root of given quadratic equation. Now write answer. Answer. One is the root, -1 is not the root. In this way, we have decided that one value of x has two values, +1 and -1. So out of two values, x is equal to 1 means 1 is the root of given quadratic equation and -1 is not the root of given quadratic equation. Now we see question number 2 means problem number 2 of the same question number 4. (2m square minus 5m is equal to 0). M is equal to 2 and m 5 by 2. So values of m are m is equal to 2 and m is equal to 5 upon 2. Here variable is m. So we have to decide whether the quadratic equation is satisfied for the value of m is equal to 2 and 5 upon 2. If this equation is satisfied for the value of m is equal to 2, then this is a root. Otherwise, it is not a root. So let us start. Solution. Twice m square minus 5m is equal to 0. This is given. Now, putting m is equal to 2 in given quadratic equation. So left hand side is equal to 2 into 2 square. Value of m is 2. Therefore 2 square minus 5 into 2. So 2 into square of 2, that is 4. 4. 5 minus 2 means 10. So 8 minus 10 is equal to minus 2. But minus 2 is not equal to 0 because right hand side of this quadratic equation 0 is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, 2 is not the root of, every quadratic equation has two roots. So 2 is not the root of given quadratic equation. You can write the equation also 2m square minus 5m is equal to 0. So m is equal to 2. 2 is not the root of this quadratic equation. Now we see 5 upon 2 or 5 by 2. Putting 5 upon 2 in given quadratic equation. Left hand side is equal to, putting m is equal to, left hand side 2m square minus 5m. 2 into value of m is 5 upon 2. So 5 by 2 square minus 5 into 5 by 2. Is equal to 2 into square of 5 upon 2 is equal to 25 upon 4 minus 5 into 5, 25 by 2. 2 by 2. 2 1 is 2. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. 2 to the 4. Therefore, 25 by 2 minus 25 by 2 is equal to 0. And right hand side of given equation is 0. Therefore, right hand side. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, 5 upon 2 is the root of given quadratic equation. Which is quadratic equation? 2m square minus 5m is equal to 0. This is a given quadratic equation. And 5 upon 2 is the root of given quadratic. So, out of two values, one value m is equal to is not root, and another value 5 by 2 is the root of given quadratic equation. Answer. Answer. It is very important. Two is not the root of. 2 is not the root 5 by E is the root. This is our answer. Okay. In this way, we have checked two values of m, and out of these two values, m equal to is not the root of this quadratic equation, and m is equal to 5 by 2 means 5 by 2 is the root of this quadratic equation. Okay. Now we see the question number 5. Question number 5. Find k if x is a root of equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 equal to 0. Find k if x is equal to 3 is a root of equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 equal to 0. Solution. In this problem, we have to find the value of k, and x is equal to 2 is a root of equation, means this quadratic equation kx square minus 10x plus 3, means this quadratic equation is satisfied for x is equal to 3. Now, solution: x equal to 3 is a root. X equal to is the root of quadratic equation kx square x equal to 3 is one of the root of, okay, is the root of quadratic equation kx square minus x plus 3 is equal to 0. Means for this value, this equation is satisfied. Now, putting x is equal to 3. Because this is a root, therefore for this value this equation satisfied. So k into 3 minus 10 into 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. K into 3 thrice k minus 10 into 3 30 plus 3 is equal to 0. 3k minus 27 is equal to 0. We will transfer minus 27 to right hand side. 3k is equal to 0 plus 27 means 27. So k is equal to 27 by 3 is equal to 9. Therefore k is equal to 1. So answer the value of k is 9. In this way, we have solved two problems, question number 4 and question number 5. So students, two problems are complete. So if you are satisfied, please subscribe the channel Nanddev Academy. You practice it, you will understand very well, and math will be easy for you. Math is always easy and interesting, but practice is very essential. Okay, our period is over. Thank you.